Today, I am sharing a very special Kaddu Raitha recipe, which is very useful for expecting mothers during pregnancy and especially for the eyes of the baby. Here is what you have to do. Take 350 grams Kaddu, peel it, and then grate it. You will get around 300 grams of grated pulp. Add this grated kaddu in a cooking pan and pour 1/4 glass of water and let it boil on high flame for 1 minute. Then reduce the flame to medium and allow steam cooking for 10 minutes. Turn off the flame and let it cool. Afterwards, in a bowl, pour 400 grams yogurt, 50 milliliters milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a teaspoon crushed black pepper, which is a much better option than using black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon salt, and mix all the contents well. Now add finely sliced 2 tablespoons coriander leaves, and 1 green chili peas. In the end, add boiled kaddu pulp without squeezing and mix it well. Tasty Kaddu Raitha is ready for your meals. If you liked this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos.